Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are premium options designed for players seeking high performance, exceptional spin, and consistent control. Available in the Halo Pro and Halo Control versions, these paddles cater to a wide range of playing styles, ensuring versatility and reliability on the court. Both paddles feature a carbon fiber face, providing a durable, lightweight surface that enhances shot precision and spin. This advanced material ensures players can execute powerful shots while maintaining excellent control, making it ideal for intermediate to advanced players. At the core of the SLK Halo paddles is the RevCore Power Polymer Core, engineered for optimal energy transfer and responsiveness. This innovative core delivers a perfect balance of power and control, enabling players to handle both offensive and defensive plays effectively. The Halo Control version is tailored for players prioritizing accuracy and consistency, while the Halo Pro offers added power for those who favor an aggressive playing style. The paddles are designed with a focus on user comfort, featuring an ergonomic grip that ensures a secure and comfortable hold during extended matches. The paddle's weight and balance further enhance its playability, allowing for swift maneuverability and reducing strain during intense games. Additionally, the SLK Halo paddles are designed to maximize spin potential, providing players with the ability to create unpredictable shots that keep opponents on their toes. This makes them particularly appealing for players who rely on advanced techniques and strategic gameplay. In summary, the SLK Halo pickleball paddles combine cutting-edge materials and thoughtful design to deliver superior performance on the court. Whether you choose the Halo Pro for power or the Halo Control for precision, these paddles are excellent choices for players seeking spin, consistency, and an edge in their game. Number 2. This USPA-approved pickleball paddle set is a great choice for players of all levels, offering durability, performance, and value. The set includes pickleball paddles with a fiberglass surface, which provides excellent power and control, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced players. Fiberglass is lightweight yet strong, allowing players to generate powerful shots without sacrificing precision. The paddles are constructed with a polypropylene honeycomb core, known for its superior energy absorption and responsiveness. This core enhances the balance between power and control, ensuring a comfortable playing experience with reduced vibration. It's particularly useful for those who want a forgiving paddle that minimizes strain during extended play. Designed for both men and women, the paddles feature an ergonomic, cushioned grip that ensures comfort and a firm hold. This grip is sweat-resistant, providing reliable control even during intense games. The paddles are also lightweight, promoting maneuverability and reducing fatigue, making them ideal for players of all ages. The set typically includes multiple paddles, balls, and a carrying bag, offering convenience and portability for games at parks, gyms, or courts. The included balls meet standard performance criteria, ensuring consistent play and durability. USPA certification guarantees that these paddles meet competitive standards, making them suitable for both recreational and tournament play. Their versatile design caters to a range of playing styles, whether you prefer finesse or power-driven shots. In summary, this pickleball paddle set offers a high-quality, cost-effective option for anyone looking to enjoy or excel in pickleball. With its fiberglass surface, durable honeycomb core, and ergonomic design, it delivers an excellent balance of power, control, and comfort, making it a reliable choice for players of all skill levels. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a well-rounded set designed for players of all skill levels, offering high-quality equipment that blends performance and value. The bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 balls, and a convenient carrying bag, making it a great choice for players seeking an all-in-one solution for recreational or competitive play. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face, known for its lightweight durability and responsiveness. This graphite surface enhances ball control and precision, making it easier for players to execute accurate shots and strategic plays. Combined with the polymer RevCore, the paddles deliver a balanced mix of power and control, accommodating various playing styles. The core's energy-absorbing properties reduce vibration, ensuring a comfortable grip and reducing arm fatigue during extended play. Designed with comfort in mind, the paddles have an ergonomic, cushion handle that provides a secure grip and excellent maneuverability. The lightweight design further enhances ease of use, allowing players to react quickly and perform well in fast-paced games. The set includes 3 pickleball balls, designed to meet standard performance criteria for consistent play. These balls are durable and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The carrying bag adds portability and convenience, making it easy to transport the equipment to any court. In summary, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an excellent option for beginners and intermediate players looking for a complete, high-quality pickleball set. The combination of graphite paddles, a polymer core, and ergonomic design ensures an enjoyable and effective playing experience, while the included balls and carrying bag make it a practical choice for both casual and competitive games. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a versatile and high-performance paddle designed for players of all levels. It features a graphite carbon fiber face, which offers an ideal blend of power, control, and lightweight maneuverability. This material ensures precision for accurate shot placement while allowing for powerful strikes when needed. At the core of the paddle is a polypropylene honeycomb core, known for its excellent balance between power and touch. This core provides consistent performance, reduces vibration, and delivers a soft feel, making it suitable for players who prioritize both control and comfort. One of the standout features of the Mod Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, which enhances the player's hold during extended matches. The grip is designed to reduce fatigue and improve control, offering a tacky yet soft feel that ensures comfort even during intense gameplay. The paddle's medium weight, around 7.8 to 8.2 ounces, provides the ideal balance for maneuverability and stability. It is light enough for quick reactions at the net yet sturdy enough to generate power for baseline shots. The paddle's wide-body shape offers a larger sweet spot, increasing forgiveness and making it easier for players to connect with the ball consistently. With a design that caters to recreational and competitive play, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is USPA approved for tournament use. Its high-quality construction and balanced features make it a reliable choice for improving performance and enhancing gameplay. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle combines a graphite carbon fiber face, a durable honeycomb core, and an ergonomic grip to deliver excellent power, control, and comfort. It's a solid choice for players seeking a dependable, versatile paddle for recreational or competitive play. Number 5. The Jola Essentials Pickleball Paddle is a well-crafted paddle designed to cater to players of all skill levels, offering durability, performance, and value. Its standout features include a reinforced fiberglass surface and a honeycomb polypropylene core, which together provide a balanced combination of power, control, and comfort. The reinforced fiberglass surface delivers enhanced shot power and precision. This lightweight yet durable material allows for consistent performance, making it easier for players to execute powerful drives and accurate placements. It also helps generate spin, adding a tactical edge to the game. At the core of the paddle lies a honeycomb polypropylene core, renowned for its vibration dampening properties and energy absorption. This core ensures a soft feel while providing excellent control, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced players who value a blend of finesse and power. The paddle's wide-body design increases the sweet spot, offering forgiveness on off-center hits and improving overall playability. The paddle is designed for comfort and ease of use, featuring an ergonomic grip that ensures a secure and comfortable hold during extended matches. Its lightweight construction enhances maneuverability, making it easier to react quickly and play at a fast pace. The Jola Essentials paddle is suitable for recreational and competitive use, delivering reliable performance in a variety of playing conditions. Its balance of features makes it a versatile choice for players who want to improve their game or enjoy casual matches with friends. In summary, the Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle combines a durable fiberglass surface, a responsive honeycomb core, and a user-friendly design to deliver exceptional value and performance. It's a great choice for players seeking a dependable, high-quality paddle for all-around gameplay.